What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lash coming to you guys with another video. Alright guys, today we got an absolute banger. We're gonna be reviewing the Hellcat that everybody's mad at. One that is undefeated right here, my boy Widebody Rich. Everybody keeps on asking what's done to it, so we're finally gonna be going over all the mods. But before we get into this, we're about to be data logging this red eye right over here. You got the 15s on it. He's got a new tune, got some sauce on it. So yeah, let's go see what this thing does. He does have a similar setup to Rich though, so this thing is making some steam. It's pretty quick. Don't worry guys, we'll get more Mustang content soon. Yeah.
Hot ass motherfucking car.
No, we got the Knox bottles back here, y'all see it. That E85 smells delicious. This thing's gonna be moving. What tweaks did you make to this tune?
Full send.
Yeah, full send. Added 50 degrees to timing, so we're ready to go. We got just under a half tank of gas, so we got to go fill this thing up real quick. It's a customer car, so we can't go fill that Mustang. Dang. My little brother gets to live one more day. Getting some good old-fashioned E85 right now.
Ready?
Guys, we're gonna have to wait for some more logs. That was just the bass tone. But anyways guys, for the car that you guys came here for. Alright, boom, we're with my boy Rich right here. What's going on? Hey, so can you tell me a little bit about the car?
Yeah, it's ported snout, intake, injectors, upper pulley, no lower pulley. That's about it for right now.
Man, that's crazy what type of work this thing's putting in with such a simple setup.
Yep.
Yes, sir. So any future mods for the car, or what's next?
I have a ported blower over there. I'm gonna put that on. And maybe a little baby cam.
Okay, I have the thing chopping.
Yeah, something like.
Yeah, this could be the last time you guys see this car on this setup. But now I'm about to fast forward to whenever we put on the ported blower and install that baby cam.
Several days later.
Alright guys, it's about a week later and we got the ported blower and the cam in this thing, and it sounds insane guys. We're about to give you guys some startups and then ride along with the new setup. But before we do that, I'm going to show you guys the process really quick. Boom, she's back together. So yeah, we're about to go on this ride along right now. And I'm also gonna show you guys a few of his races. So like I said, this thing's undefeated. He's like 60-0, so yeah, this thing's insane, guys. Hey! 5, 2, 3! Type it. That just sounds good as f***. This thing's a monster, bro. making me sit in the back because we're gonna be rubbing if this is in the back.
Well, let's be nice. Yeah. Let's be nice. We don't have to go there. I mean, you're not wrong, but you didn't have to say it. I mean, good Lord.
I've been full car up in this thing. Sheesh.
Hey, Larry, make sure to make it look in the video where I'm flat chested, alright? Because my titties about to be bouncing in this one.
What? What the fuck?
Alright guys, this is our first hit on this thing since he just got it back, so we want to see what it's talking about. We're now entering into Mexico right now. I love it here in Guadalajara.
Beautiful.
Yeah, great scenery. I'm just ready for my neck to get torn off, bro.
Right like this.
I know, I'm trying to lean back, but I also want to get the right shot. Oh. That bars. This motherfucker rich, bro. Yeah, no, it for sure barks too. Oh, that's crazy. Bro, this a whole new car, bro.
This is insane, man.
Bro, ported blower and cam does a lot, bro. What the f? The downshifts are different, bro. That's ridiculous.
That's so disrespectful.
It's hard.
It wasn't even hooking right.
That's crazy.
Oh, you're rubbing.
Yeah, I heard that.
You're rubbing hella bad.
Oh.
Oh, hang on. Nah, you're rubbing hella bad.
Feel it?
Oh, yeah.
I heard it.
You definitely hear it.
I was like, I heard it.
I don't give a
That's
very fast.
but that hits, bro. Oh, this is a whole new beast, bro. That's
That motherfucker lift up.
crazy. Whoa, man. Especially this did two little pump fakes. I mean, shook.
Nigga, my heart went to my
Yeah, that's crazy. Nah, this thing's a whole new beast for real, guys. I swear, I think it's a cam or something, because I've been in one with just the ported blower, but this thing is hitting different, guys. Oh my gosh. So if you guys are ready to run it, you guys already know the DMs are open. Tap in. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.